करना है, ठीक है। A for apple means B for ball means C for cat means D for dog means E for elephant means F for fish means G for grapes means H for hand. Hand means I for ice cream means J for joker. Joker means K for kite means L for lion means M for monkey. Monkey means N for next means O for orange means P for parrot means Q for queen. Queen means T for tiger means dog. R for rose means love. U for umbrella means V for violin means star. W for watch means X for Christmas means Christmas का पेड़. S for shoes. Shoes means जूता. Y for yak means वन ऐसा. J for zebra means